Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Onibest and you're welcome to Onibest Beauty Patente B. So guys, in this video, in this lesson, we'll be covering another three parts of Signale di Divieto. We are still in Signale di Divieto. So I brought out three lessons in this video to cover. Okay, number one, we're going to be talking about Divieto di Transito, EVEICOLI a Tranzione Animale. We're also going to be covering Divieto di Transito per motocicli e per velocipiedi. So we'll be covering these three in this lesson, okay? All right, if you're just seeing my video for the first time, please do it to subscribe to my channel. And of course, turn on your notification bell so that anytime I post a new video, you will be the first to know. Okay, without saying much, let us get started. Divieto di transito ai veicoli a transione animale. Now, in the previous video, I was talking about this particular transione animale. So I didn't know if I actually explained very well. Okay, I used I didn't use picture. Okay, so some people might still find it difficult. Now, this is Divieto di transito ai veicoli a transione animale. Let us see what it's trying to tell you. Remember, I told you in the previous videos as well that when you see them by their sign, you get to know them also by the sign, their background color, the image that is inside of the signal. You also get to know what it's trying to tell you. Now, for example, we are seeing a donkey and the vehicle that it is using to transport people from one place to another. That means it is referring to these particular vehicles, veicoli a transione animale. Okay, that these vehicles, it is forbidden to enter. This is Signale di Divieto, telling you that this is forbidden for this category of vehicles, for this category of people. Okay, but now what is inside of this image is transione animale. È un segnale di divieto, vieta il transito su quella strada a tutti i veicoli a transione animale. Esempio, carrozze o altri veicoli trainati da cavalli assini. Now, this sign forbids the transit of all vehicles a transione animale. As vehicles where they tow human being, where they take human being from one place to another. Now, this vehicle are forbidden to enter this road. Like donkeys, horses, they tow people from one place to another, cannot enter this road. Consente il transito di tutti gli altri veicoli, compresi veicoli a braccia e veicoli a motore. Now, this sign, on seeing this sign, it allows all other vehicles to enter, including veicoli a braccia, the one towed with hand. We saw it in the last video. If you have not watched that video, please go back to my previous video, and I can also leave it in the description box for you. Okay. Now, it allows veicoli a braccia to enter, and also vehicles that has engine to enter. Remember that it is only referring to the image inside of the signal. Vale 24 ore su 24 ore. Now, it valid for 24 hours tutti i giorni. The sign values, they cannot enter that road. Non è vero che consente il transito ai veicoli a transione animale se muniti di pneumatici. Now, you don't get to say it allows the transit of vehicle a transione animale. That means vehicle, we say animal, they tow people, they call that vehicle in general, veicoli a transione animale. Now, I know that you say this type of vehicles go enter if it is equipped with tires. You know the truth. Say, okay, because they equipped with tires, it go enter. It is not true. Okay, guys. So, having said about transione animale, we'll be seeing divieto di transito ai velocipiedi. What are velocipiedi? Bicycles, okay? Velocipiedi. Now, let us see what the sign is telling you. Remember that it is referring to the image inside of the sign. È un segnale di divieto. This is segnale di divieto. Vieta ai velocipiedi, like for bis velocipiedi, example, bicycles, quadricicli a pedali. In fact, vehicles, any vehicles with like bicycle, if they use like the pedal, okay? All these are set of velocipiedi. Now, for these kind of vehicles. Di percorrere quella strada consente il transito ai pedoni e a tutti i veicoli. Now, this road, they no fit enter. But this sign, on seeing it, it allows other vehicles to enter. It allows people, persons on foot, not persons on bicycles. It allows persons on foot to enter. Compresi il quadricicli a motore, i ciclomotori, i motocicli. Now, on seeing this sign, you would drive motorcycles, you would drive ciclomotori. You know, ciclomotori motorcycles are 2 tires. Okay, they have 2 tires as well. Then you would drive quadricicli. Quadricicli is 4 tires. In fact, all vehicles are allowed except velocipiedi. Now, you will not say because motorcycles have 2 tires, just like bicycle, meaning that motorcycles cannot enter. Motorcycles have its own signal. You get your own picture where they say they will put inside this sign to tell you that it is referring to only motorcycles. But for now, motorcycles is not referring to them, it's referring to only bicycles. Okay, meaning that motorcycles can enter. Okay, all other vehicles can enter. And this sign valid for 24 hours, meaning all day. The last we're going to be seeing in this video is Divieto di Transito ai Motocicli. Now, this is divieto, if it's forbidden for motocicli. Now, you see the difference between these both picture. You see this one, when you see it, it is for motorcycle. This picture is referring to motorcycle, while this one is referring to bicycle. Okay, referring to bicycle and referring to motociclo. It is very simple, guys. Try to know what sign, what picture is being drawn inside of it, and you're going to get it right. È un segnale di divieto. This is segnale di divieto. Vieta il transito su quella strada a tutti I motocicli. Now, this forbids the transit of all type of motorcycles. All vehicles, all motorcycles, not all vehicles, sorry, all motorcycles, all type of motorcycles, ok? Anche se non superano 125 centimetri o se sono dotati di cellulare di sicurezza. So even if say your potency of the motorcycle, you don't pass 125 centimeter, or even if say you detected with safety, like maybe your helmet, okay? Anything will give you safety. Your cellular is securezza. Example, your helmet. Even if you say get out, you must enter. You must not enter this particular road. Let me come again. This is segnale di divieto. This one is referring to only motorcycles, okay? Not bicycles, motorcycles only. Now, all type of motorcycles, it forbids them from entering this road. Even if your potency is not past 125 centimeter, even if you get safety measure, okay, you must not enter this particular place. Okay, coming. Consente il transito a tutti gli altri veicoli, compresi biciclette, ciclomotori, tricicli, quadricicli e autovettura. Now, it consents all other vehicles, like bicycles now can enter this road. You know, it's not referring to bicycles. Bicycles can enter, motocicli can enter, tricicli can enter, quadricicli, autovettura, which is our normal car, can also enter. Now, all other vehicles, even those on foot, can enter. It is referring to only motorcycles alone. Attenzione a non confondere motocicli con ciclomotori. Now, you have to be very careful. Don't mistake, don't confuse motorcycles for ciclomotori. You know, motorcycles and ciclomotori are two tire vehicles, okay, that has engine, unlike bicycles. Okay, they has engine. Motociclo is our normal bike, you know. Then ciclomotori, I don't know how to put it for other people to understand, but in Africa we call it ladies' bike. Those smaller bike that ladies can use. Okay, those smaller bike that has their power not reach that of motorcycle. You know, they call it ciclomotori. Now, don't confuse these two. Ciclomotori can enter. It is referring to motorcycles. Okay, it is not referring to ciclomotori. So try to know the difference between these two vehicles, motorcycle and ciclomotori. Okay, so you know who it is referring to. So for instance, say they drive ciclomotori. On seeing this sign, don't be confused. It's not telling you not to enter. It is referring to motorcycles alone. I don't know how best to explain, but I think I'm trying to explain better enough. Okay, but if you don't understand anything, leave it in the comment section. I will do where to treat it. Okay, thank you for watching, guys. See you in my next video. Please do not forget to share my video. It is very important. It's going to help this channel to grow. Okay, thank you very much, and see you in my next video. Bye.